In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear window regulators on this Nissan Rogue. These are going to be located in the rear doors. Let's get into it. Take this cover off, just use a straight blade screwdriver. Just get underneath here, pop that off. You can see there's a screw there. Take that screw out, use a T20 socket. Using a magnet, take that out. We're going to remove this bezel, use a trim tool, just get under the back here. Just pop that up, it lifts up. You can disconnect the switch, just push down on the tab, disconnect it. Now we're going to take that screw out, use a 10mm socket, pull that out. Take this bezel off, I'm just going to use a trim tool. Use a straight blade screwdriver just to try to get under here. Pop the trim tool in there. Just pop this out. It's just clipped on. And there is a tether right here. We'll just let that hang. That's fine. Now just go around the perimeter with the trim tool. And just pop it out. Just grab the door panel, slide it up. Comes right off. I'm going to disconnect the speaker. There's a little tab right here. Just push on that. I'm just using a straight blade screwdriver just to help. Disconnect that. Now you want to get behind the vapor barrier, and you can use a utility knife just to cut the butyl tape. Just peel this up. I'm not going to take it off completely. We just want to peel it up and have it out of our way. Pull the wires through. There, that's good. Connect the connector for the window switch. With the key in the on position, we're going to lower the window down. You want to lower it where you can access the bolts through this access port right here. So get it in that location, and we can turn the key off. Using a 10mm socket, take these bolts out. This one right here. If you need to, use a magnet. Pull that out and grab the window, and you want to pull that all the way up. Hold that, and we're just going to use some masking tape. Tape up the window. Make sure the window's clean so the tape will stick. That's just going to keep the window out of the way. That's good. We're going to disconnect the connector. I'm just going to use some pliers. You just want to squeeze this little tab right here. Disconnect that. Take these two nuts out, use a 10mm socket. Then we're going to take these 3 bolts out. This one we're just going to loosen up. Use a 10mm socket. loosen that up. You can grab the window regulator. I'm going to slide this up, out, and it comes right out, right there. Now we're going to remove these screws. Use a T25 socket. And take the regulator off the motor. Now take the motor, and we're going to put it on the new regulator. Just get this to line up. Get the screws started. And we'll snug those down. Now we're going to torque these screws to 43 inch-pounds. And now you can install it in the vehicle. Take the regulator, slip it through there. You want that bolt to go through that hole. And we'll get the studs to go through here. Just like that. Get the nuts started. And the bolts. You might have to rotate this a little bit to get the bolts to line up. I'll snug these down. We're going to torque these nuts to 45 inch-pounds. Torque these bolts to 62 inch-pounds. Now we're going to connect the connector, line that up, put that down. We just want to keep this wire out of the way of the window tracks, so we're just going to use a wire tie. Just trim the excess, just with some side cutters. That's going to keep that right there. Lower the window regulator down in the correct position so that you can access the hole right there. And we can turn the key off. Now we can take the tape off the window. Just make sure you hold the window while you're doing this so it doesn't fall. And lower it down slowly. Get it to line up on the track. Take the bolts, get those started. Get the other one started. Snug those down. And torque those to 61 inch-pounds. That's good. I can disconnect the switch. Just push down on the tab. And you can take the vapor barrier and pull that back down. Take the wiring harness, feed that through. get that all lined up. And just push it down. If you need to, you can add some new butyl tape to secure that. And I'll take the connector, connect the speaker, and take the door panel, slide the wiring harness through just so you can access it. And get the top part of the panel in place near the window. And you'll slide it down. That lines up. Go ahead and tap it in place. All the clips are in. I'm going to take the bezel, get this lined up. Push it in place. Take this screw, get this lined up. Tighten this down. Snug that down. Take the window switch and bezel, connect the connector, lock it down. Then the front part of the bezel is going to go in first. Lock it down. Now take the screw and tighten that down. Snug that down. Take the cap, line that up, lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.